ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing right over there? My name is MC Dogo Destiny, and of course coming to you live from Kenny Bobie Entertainment YouTube channel right over here. Now a lot of you are in lockdown, and of course you're getting stressed at home. The kids are at home. This one is breaking the pot, that one is breaking this one, and of course you feel, oh my god, when is the lockdown getting finished? But of course you don't need to worry, because right now in Lira, a lot of things are happening. Lira's going to be turning up into a city. Very soon, we're going to be having that is a city in Lira town. And of course now, as we're going to be having a city in town, you know, a lot of things are coming up with the city setting. People who had banked some money, they're looking for land to buy to put in discos, and people who are, you know, the agriculturalists are also they are trying to see, how am I going to succeed? How am I going to do this and that? Yeah, and tonight on our episode right here, ladies and gentlemen, we bring to you one of the most fascinating and magnificent places in Lira town that is still a baby, still virgin, that if you have not yet seen the place, you gotta take that little time and come right over here. And this is the place everyone is calling, you're hearing, you're reading on papers and TVs, and of course social media is going around with it. This is called Latitude Sports Lira. And now if you say Latitude Sports Lira, someone is going to be like, oh, where's the place? Wow. As you all know, Odokomit very well, you know St. Han Primary School very well. Just as you're going to Odokomit, there's that road that comes from St. Han. Follow that road. A few strides from the main road, you will see a gate on your left hand side, and that's Latitude Sports. At Latitude Sports, we have a lot of things happening right here. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, among the things I was trying to tell you that this place have, oh my god, you can look around. We have this one, I don't know if they're calling it airplane, I don't know if it flies, if it even flies, for the kids to play with. And also, we also have that in the seesaw right over there, the merry-go-round. And guess what? In a few seconds from now, I'm going to be taking you to the gym side of Latitude. But for now, here where we are is where you can bring your kids. For those of you who are busy, you work with the government, and you know, maybe you work in the bank, and you feel like, you know, where am I going to leave my kids? Please bring them right over here. Let them play, let them eat, let them swim, they do whatever they like. Come back in the evening and take them home. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get on to the gym side. You gotta keep fit like me, you get it? Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, I would bring you to the gym side of it. Here it is, and I know the ladies out there will be like, wow, I've just given birth, and you know, I don't like my belly. And there are dudes outside, they'll be like, come on man, I crush on the 6 packs. How? This is a gift to you, and of course, right here in Lira Town or Odokomit. Just get time and come right over here. We have a lot of things right here. You can either use this, for those of you who need to build some muscles, everything is right over here. If you want to do exercise, just come to Latitude Sports. We have everything right here. And like I said, I'm going to be moving around showing you different things that are inside right over here. You know, it is your choice whether you want to work on this. I don't know if my cameraman can focus right where I'm right over here. This one, as you all know, I'm not a gym instructor. I don't know, I'm not a gym instructor, but I was told how to operate, how to try this one. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, like I was told, I was just instructed, I don't know, you press this one, it waits to start. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, but I press play. It's going to start in a few seconds from now, and of course it's going. I don't know how they do it real well. In case I need speed and I want to run, I think, all right, I'm coming there, I'm coming there, I'm coming there. Aha. I think some of these things you just see it on TVs, you see it on the internet, and you'll be like, wow, how does this guy do it, you know? But it's almost It's already in your town. Just get time, come to Latitude Sports, and you enjoy all this. Let's get somewhere again. Okay, like we said, that was I don't know how they call it, running, something of that kind. Find out in English, because I am not a gym instructor. Another one is right over here, guys. I don't know whether to use electricity, but I just know something like this. I think it's using power. I even don't know the name, by the way, but you can find a name and give it. Some of the things are exotic. I don't know, London, Germany, or where. I don't know. I think it's the same. This one I know because I have a bicycle. But this bicycle stands in one place. You put your leg. I'm not going to Oture, but I'm just trying right over here. So all in all, ladies and gentlemen, these are things that you see right here, and these are things that are in Lira town. One of the biggest happening places to be. First, we have that the children's park where we showed you earlier on. We have the gym right over here where you're seeing. We have that is all types of classic gym materials right here. You need to get 6 packs. You need to get that muscles. You need to get that jiggy and all that. We got it right over here. And another amazing thing that we have right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the massage. Guys, are you getting me? The massage. I didn't say for all the guys, but both ladies and gents, we're going to be having a massage joint right over here. And shortly, I'm going to be talking to a massage lady. Thank you so much. Keep it locked to Kenny Bobie Entertainment, of course, brought to you by Ultimate Media. We love you so much, and my name is MC Dogo Destiny. Let's get to someone. You get to hear from them. We love you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, like I told you, this place has gotten one of the most fascinating stuffs around town as well. And of course, with me here, I have one of the staff. Good afternoon, if I may say.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm okay.
I'm good. What's your name?
I'm called Esther.
Esther, we wanted to know the other name because you see, the way you look, we know our cassava and posho, the way you look like, you know, someone from those cows is long something there. Esther Mukisa. Okay, like here at Latitude, what do you do?
Here I'm head of the department. I'm the head of massage department. And we have different types of massages.
Oh my God. This massage, are you only doing it on men or women?
I do massage on both men and women.
On both men and women. How long have you been doing this massage thing?
I have experience of 5 years.
5 years? Yeah. Wow. Previously you were in Kampala, I guess.
Yeah, Minister's Village.
Minister's Village. And if you're watching and you have been to Minister's Village, now you know a reason. You now have the reason to relocate to Lira, ladies and gentlemen who are watching right there. So in the massaging department, how many of you are there?
We are 3.
3 people.
Yes.
Do we have a man among those people?
Very soon, we shall be getting one.
Getting one. And so is it that it's the woman to massage me, or it is my choice?
It is your choice.
To choose who is going to massage me?
Yes.
All right. So do you mind if you take us through the massaging, you know, those ideas, technique, the types of massage you have?
So far we have what they call Swedish.
Swedish?
Yeah.
Which comes from something related to Sweden?
Yes, from Sweden. And that type of massage, for it is done this way. It's a mixture of deep and soft.
Deep and soft.
Hard and soft.
Jesus.
Yes.
For those who are watching, you know it is a mixture of deep and soft, hard and those things. But for a Lange man who is watching this one and has hard, soft, I know what you're thinking, but it's not like that. So hard and soft, and how does it go like?
For it, it's not okay. It's just like massaging the whole body. Okay. Gently.
Okay.
And soft.
Gently and soft. Okay, let's go to the next type of.
We have a next one called aromatherapy.
Aromatherapy.
Yeah. For that one, we use aroma oil.
Aroma oil.
Yes.
Okay. But it is still the same with the Swedish something. But this time around, you use aroma. Is there some medical, medical addition, value addition to the aroma thing that,
Aroma oil helps to relax the body generally and keeps you fit.
Keeps you fit.
Healthy.
Now we're in the second type. The third type?
The third one is called deep tissue.
Deep tissue. Wow, deep tissue.
Deep tissue, it's a kind of hard massage.
Hard massage. Yeah. Do you do it like Jackie Chan?
Not Jackie Chan.
Okay.
It's a massage where you have to apply some energy in it. For it we use deep heat.
Deep heat.
Yes.
Then the fourth one.
The fourth one we have thigh massage.
Thigh. Wow, that one you deal with the thigh only. That one, from Thailand. How does it work?
It's a matter of stretching the whole body. Then after stretching, you massage the body gently.
You first start by the Jet Li style, then you now go slow.
You first stretch.
Okay.
Yeah, each and every body part.
Okay.
Yes. After stretching that body, it's when you massage.
Now my question comes here. For a woman who is out there, and maybe who has a man who needs to come to massage, how well can you convince such a woman?
I just want to tell that person to come and test.
Okay. So can not even, when you said testing the touch, every woman be like, I don't want my husband to go there. Do you allow a woman to come with the husband who is coming for massage? Do you allow that woman to also come along in case they have issues to do with trust?
Because the way we made our rooms, we have for singles, and we have for couples.
For couples. Yeah. So they can come as couples.
Yeah.
Wow. Then that's gonna be an amazing. So for singles, this is a room I want to understand. I want to know. For singles that come for this massage, what should they carry along?
Nothing.
Nothing. Do you have your own towel?
I have everything. You find it in the room.
What if the person comes without a boxer and is just there with like a small
the disposable pants?
Disposable pants that you use. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have been talking to her. You have been hearing different types of massage, and someone is out there just been, oh my God, when am I going for this massage and this and that and all that? Yeah. It's a high time you come to Latitude Sports Lira. You're watching from Gulu, you're watching from England, you're watching from Pabo, you're watching from Masaka, you're watching from Kampala, from all over the world, from UK. Our fans in UK, by the way, if Corona has locked you out there, and you know you have been sitting in the house and you're stressed, don't let Corona finish you. You better come to Latitude and you come and have this feeling. Some of the big names in town have been coming right here. Last week I saw some guys coming from Gulu. I saw MC Bless coming here. I saw MC Rock, my brother, here. I even saw a lot of people coming to Latitude here. And I've been asking myself if there's a secret that they're coming to do. But they only come here to enjoy, to relax the mind, to throw the stress away, and to, have fun. And my last question is, when you talk about massage, I've been getting massages. Oh my God. I go to a salon, gone are the days, we used to have that salon, this car kiosk, eh? I don't know if you have it, salon, you can find that guy there shaving your hair. After shaving your hair, they slap you with a towel, be like, put spirit, it is over. But now comes the unisex salon. After doing all that, they do your first scrub, they massage you, the neck and all that. Some of us, I swear for the first time I slept, I was in heaven. So, what is that type of massage that they do in normal salons and all that? How do we call that one? That is Swedish. The one they do halfway.
That is the shoulder. We have the shoulder and the foot massage.
Now, thank you. I know a lot of people outside there, even probably they might be watching me and they have a problem with one of their body parts. Can be the leg. Maybe it has dislocated, it has done something. What, are there specific massage for that leg to come in line?
That is a healing massage.
That is a healing massage. You just need to say, I am not feeling well from my whatever, then they massage you.
I work on your body.
Okay. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you for allowing us to talk to you. Ladies and gentlemen, we carry it out. That has been the massage department. I told you it's amazing. Thank you. Keep tuned to Kenny Bobie Entertainment, brought to you by Ultimate Media. I love you. My name is MC Dogo Destiny. All the girl them every time them come around, punch pan me, MC Dogo Destiny, they got them out and she knows say she want be me girl them, but me tell the girl them have more than that. All the guys out there, you know, say my name is MC Dogo Destiny, and always me I keep in touch with Kenny Bobie Entertainment on YouTube. Me I follow the part them, and when we follow them, you know, say this guy them Ultimate Media, a rock on the yard, you know, say I love the girl them Empress. Tell the girl them I feel log on to that YouTube channel. If you don't love your girlfriend, you could never tell the girl them. You know, said that one. Keep it locked to Kenny Bobie Entertainment. We love you. Love you so much.